Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by powering down and unplugging, then wait about 10 minutes so internal capacitors settle. Once done, flip the console upright and press the rear clips on the disc tray section while pulling the top panel backward. This frees the top half. Make sure to use a plastic pry tool at the seam and work slowly from rear to front to avoid snapping clips. You want controlled pressure. If it resists, stop and recheck every clip so nothing breaks. Once the outer shell is removed, you'll see the metal shielding and screws. Use the correct Torx driver, T10 or T9, and remove the 6 screws in sequence. After screws are out, lift the shield straight up, slowly, because ribbon cables run beneath. Make sure to identify each cable and its connector. You'll gently release locking tabs and slide ribbons out. If a connector resists, press the tiny latch. Don't yank, because ribbon damage is the common cause of failure. Finish by removing the drive assembly and any remaining screws while supporting heavier components so they don't fall. You should label screws and small parts as you go and place them in separate containers. This saves time and prevents mistakes during reassembly. When reattaching, align ribbons and press locking tabs until you hear them click, then replace screws snugly but not over-tightened. If the console doesn't boot afterward, recheck ribbon seating and screw order. Misseated ribbons are the most frequent issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.